Kawai na kirai bala shim da Sorkar Jylla lingba ka Jylang kunhun menteri ka bala penlong ha ka step jong ka arpon rutrik luber arjar persan ka long ban Thied building ha Bangalore ban Pynsuk ya kibriu na ka Jylla ha ba ki lech ketika jaka kamtam ki Samla Pule. Haba pentep ya kania syakilat pathai kubor ha kan opai singi jong ka arpon rutrik luber arjar persan uba pol lingdo menteri bade kemi ya katanat social welfare lem kiwepan ubadai ru nong ai kitien ka Sorkar MDA-II ulaang ba yamanta ka jingtmu ka long ban yo jakasa ki Samla Pule ki ba Pule ha ki benta ba per ka Jylla Karnataka.
The purchase of a building in Bangalore for the accommodation of visitors from Meghalaya to that city, and more especially for the student population. This particular building located in the city of Bangalore will accommodate at any point of time in 2 dorms for girls and boys, 50 boys and 50 girls. And Bangalore being one of the most visited areas by Meghalayans, and also we have a number of students pursuing various courses in that city. As of now, the immediate need is to cater to the need of the student population. A Meghalaya house is also in the pipeline, but in order to address the immediate need, where a number of students are finding it very difficult to find accommodation, and the rates also are very exorbitant. But creating a Meghalaya house would need more, like creation of more posts, placing of officers. So in order to address the immediate need, we will first create this facility of a guest house, specially dedicated to visitors and student population of the state.
Hakawai pot ka benta unong ai kitien ulaang ba ka Jylang kunhun menteri kala shim ya kirai ban thau ya ka Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board ban pentelun ya ka rukom thap kam ha ka ni gatnan nang ta ka jing penbon sngi ya ka special casual leave na ka kharsan sngi sha ka laipo sngi bar ka jing thong ya ka kong RV Suchiang officer IAS ka bla shong Thied kum ka state chief information commissioner.
The Social Welfare Department, where we discussed about the urgent need to address the shortfall of human resources, and it was found that we had a number of vacancies of various categories. For instance, the CDPOs, lady supervisors, child development project officers, where in order to accelerate the process of filling up various vacancies, the cabinet had agreed to the setting up of the Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board. Now, the board has been tasked with various responsibilities, and the immediate need to address the shortfall of human resources will be addressed by filling up the various vacancies. For instance, we have as many as 62 lady supervisors who are yet to be appointed, 8 CDPOs, and this process has taken longer than expected because of various delays that have occurred in the filling up of these vacancies by the MPSC. So to expedite that process, the cabinet has cleared the creation of the Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board, which will be headed by chairperson in the rank of the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya in the Department of Social Welfare, with the Director as the Member Secretary. We will complete immediately within the span of the next 12 months, because we have a number of vacancies. These vacancies have been lying unfilled for many years, thereby impeding the pace of work in the Directorate. As I referred earlier, we have 8 posts of CDPOs to be filled up, and then about 62 numbers. 62 lady supervisors, and since we also have the ECD mission, which again is facing huge challenges because of staff lack of manpower. So we will immediately fill up these vacancies. It should be completed in the span of the next 1 year.
So we can say that around 100 posts.
safely, yes. Will be within 100 years. Regarding the grant of special casual leave to state government employees, there was an existing arrangement, a circular, which has now been found to be outdated, where the number of days allowed for government employees to avail of special casual leave was just 15 days in a year. We decided today that the number of days would now be doubled to 30 days. And more importantly, the need to allow government employees who are also taking part in games, sports and athletic meets. And whenever such occasions where various sports and games requiring the participation of government employees is concerned, that particular period will be treated as a period where government employees are actually performing their duties and will not be counted as leave. This will also help the state in meeting various requirements, especially in view of the forthcoming national games. Cabinet also cleared the appointment of the State Chief Information Commissioner, which has become vacant in view of the retirement of Pule, IPS retired on the 14th of November 2024. Today, the Cabinet has approved the proposal that Kong R.V. Suchang, IAS retired, be appointed as the new State Chief Information Commissioner for the period of 3 years. The procedure is like this. There was a search committee which came up with a panel of names, and this search committee then decided that it would recommend for one particular name, and this name was today placed before the Cabinet, and the name was that of Kong R.V. Suchang, and the views of both the law and finance departments are also obtained before the matter was placed before the Cabinet, and the Cabinet decided to agree to this proposal.
This panel of names, if we can, other names?
Other names include Kong Ripanar Lingdo, IAS retired, and Mr. Sahai, IFS retired, additional principal CCF of Forest Department.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.